Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install WordPress locally, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install WordPress locally, first, download a local server environment. A popular choice is XAMPP, which you can find on its official website. After downloading, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Choose the components you want to install, but you can keep the default settings. Once the installation is complete, open the XAMPP control panel. Start the Apache and MySQL modules to activate your local server. Next, navigate to the XAMPP installation folder on your computer. Open the docs directory, which is where your website files will reside. Create a new folder inside docs for your WordPress site. Now, visit the official WordPress website to download the latest version. Extract the downloaded zip file and move its contents to the folder you just created. Open your web browser and go to localhost/myadmin. This area allows you to create a new database for your WordPress installation. Click on Databases at the top of the page. Enter a name for your new database and click Create. Take note of this database name as you will need it later. Now, go to the folder where you moved the WordPress files. Find the file name wp-config-sample.php and rename it to wp-config.php. Open this file in a text editor. Locate the lines that define database name, username, and password. Replace database_name_ here with the name of your database. For username, use root, which is the default in XAMPP. Leave the password field blank. Save the changes to the wp-config.php file. Return to your web browser and enter localhost/your_folder_name in the address bar. You will be greeted by the WordPress installation wizard. Select your preferred language and click Continue. Fill in the site title, username, password, and your email address. Click Install WordPress to complete the installation. Once the installation finishes, you will see a success message. You can now log into your WordPress dashboard by going to localhost/your_folder_name/wpadmin, enter the username and password you set during the installation. Congratulations, you have successfully installed WordPress locally. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.